Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to replace the lower control arm bushings in the Thunderbird. I had initially thought I had everything taken care of. I took it in to see about getting the car aligned, and they rejected it and said the lower control arm bushings needed to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and do it. Alright, we're going to take the lower control arms off.
You don't want to wait for what's his name, huh?
Shim.
His name is John.
2 shims.
That's it. Hold on. Started it up. I mean, I was way lower now, even before. And it won't stay up. Before it was hanging up. So yeah, I cleared that spot. You could take. Needed torches?
I would ideally like that bolt to come out. It doesn't seem to want to. Which are fine. Yeah, I don't know why the bolt doesn't want to come out of there, if it's somehow attached in there or what. Does more of that gotta come apart? Because if we get that bolt out, we just pull it down.
The ball joint press or the press, one or the other.
Yeah. I bet you can put the ball joint press on there if
I think so. I think it goes this way, right?
I think I'm gonna try to stick this on and there you can see how bad that is. It's just falling apart in there. Alright, we got the old one pressed out. We just stuck the new one in there so we could get it pressed in. So we're just getting something that fits over the rubber part so we can press it in. We got the porta power in here so we don't crush the lower control arm.
You know you need rear shocks, and Daryl says he's gonna put those in.
Okay.
Daryl doesn't have the tools to do the struts, but he has the tools
He
to
said
do.
something he would do.
Yeah.
Part of it, yeah. Well,
So it's gonna drive a
you
little,
should keep it.
it's gonna drive a little stiffer.
That's what I was just about. Why do I need to swap it out again? Yeah, so we need to call Ronnie and Nancy, but we're renting the truck.
Okay.
So we gotta get it sterile. But, see, I got a rent truck right now.
That's what he said, and I said, oh my God, when she gets this bad, she's gonna go, this thing is junk.
That's it, you got it. Get this out of here. And then I'm gonna have to press the control arm out a little bit. It bows in a little bit, don't you think?
Maybe just a tad.
Yeah, hold that. I'm gonna loosen it and then slide that out. But now put it like right up next to it, right there, and I'll give some exact on it. Let me know when you think it's good. One more.
All right.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
There you go. There's one controller pushing button.
Here's what I have to do. You gotta separate this so I can slide the shims in, and then the bolt goes through this hole and through here.
Okay.
And then it holds the shims in place.
Ooh, sorry.
Alright guys, so these are the control arm bushings. I hope you can see in here. To see those things, the rubber was all falling apart in them. And so that's why we had to replace those. They couldn't do an alignment with them like that. So we got the new ones in, and everything should be good to go. We're going to take it in and get it aligned. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode Up and Running. I appreciate it. That's going to do it for today's episode on the Thunderbird. However, I've got a little bonus for you. I've got some footage of the Lincoln going away, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, so the Lincoln is going to go up on the transporter today. So I figured I'd give you one last look at it. This was actually a pretty fun car. I enjoyed having it. I know my daughter loved driving it. Bobby girl. You wanna come in here and say hi? You sticking your nose through here? Yeah, we can see you. Say hi to everybody.